Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using TaxSlayer. First, you will need to create an account or log in if you are a returning user. Once logged in, select the appropriate tax year and your filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. It is crucial to have all your financial documents ready, including W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any statements showing income or deductions. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient start to your tax filing journey. Next, you will systematically input all your financial information. This includes wages from your W-2 forms, interest income, dividends, and any other earnings. TaxSlayer guides you through claiming various deductions and credits, such as student loan interest or child tax credits, which can significantly lower your tax liability. Take your time to double-check every entry. Accuracy here is paramount to avoid issues and ensure you receive the maximum refund or owe the correct amount. After entering all your data, TaxSlayer performs a comprehensive review of your return. This step is vital as it identifies potential errors, missing information, or overlooked deductions that could impact your refund or tax due. Carefully address any flags or suggestions provided by the system. Once you are confident everything is correct, you can choose to electronically file your return for the fastest processing, or print and mail it if you prefer a paper submission. Once your return is filed, TaxSlayer allows you to easily track its status, whether you are awaiting a refund or confirming a payment. It is highly recommended to keep a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 7 years. This practice is crucial for future reference or in case of an audit. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, TaxSlayer offers robust customer support to assist you every step of the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.